Hey everyone, this week I've got a couple Maseratis, one die-cast, one resin. First one is an old die-cast. I've had this probably 20 years. This is a Maserati QuattroPorte, which is, I think, Spanish and or Italian for four-door. This is one of the only non-elite Hot Wheels I have in my collection. It's because I don't really have a choice. No one else really makes this. So this is a pretty low-end car. There is no carpeting. There is no metal rotors. You do at least have brake calipers, so that's better than nothing. You only have an opening front door. You have no opening trunk. The exhaust tips are not blacked out, but at least they are sort of hollowed out a bit. You've got the little pegs in the headlights and taillights. This is a pretty low-end die-cast, but again, not really much choice. You do have a semi-open grill. It's not bad. This would have retailed for literally like 20-30 bucks back in the day. I paid probably $9.99 at good old KB Toys, if you remember that. You do have underhood detail. It is a partial casting, but again, at this price point, I'm not mad at it. Packaging was a window box. Again, I've never showed a Hot Wheels box, so this is what you would get in the late 90s, early 00s. For your $19.99 at Toys R Us or $10 on sale at KB Toys. You know, really, it's not bad. It's not bad for an inexpensive diecast. I think it's better than my Stone Barago of the time. But a new purchase is this bad boy. This is good old resin. So nothing opens. This is the this buy style is still around. This is the Gran Turismo. Now both these would have had Ferrari-derived, normally aspirated V8s. We have metal brake rotors. These are drilled. Interior detailing is obviously superior to Hot Wheels, but you can't really see much. Not too much detail underneath. Not bad as far as resin goes. Limited edition 168 of $9.99. This retailed for about $159 to $179. This is on sale as we speak at Replicars for $79. A little disappointing that the mesh is not open mesh. As you see, it is closed mesh. It's a little bit disappointing at this price point. Like I said, under 80 bucks, not too mad at it. Top speed is kind of a average resin. I think it's barely on par with Otto and GT Spirit. So that price point of approaching $200, it's not worth it. Packaging, nothing exciting, just your black outer box and styro inner. So again, I think worth picking up at that price point on sale. Get it while you can from Replicars. So that's it for this week. Tune in next week. Got a couple more good purchases from recent sales. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.